Hello everyone, I am Aishwarya Kapoor with you. As you all know that in view of the 21-day nationwide lockdown due to the coronavirus pandemic, Rajya Sabha television has also curtailed its news bulletins. As a result, I am working from the confines of my home and I thought this would be a good opportunity to talk to you about a topic that is there on everyone's minds these days, and that is the topic of our health. Of course, we are all washing our hands incessantly, we are maintaining social distancing, we are following those hygiene measures and all the other instructions that have been given to us. But there is one question that is there on our minds, and that is, what else I can do so that I don't get coronavirus? Is there any particular food item that I can eat to probably boost my immune system? What else can I do? Well, we'll be talking about all these questions in the next few minutes. So first thing is that no one particular food can stop you from getting this contagious virus. You have to follow those instructions, you have to wash your hands, you have to maintain social distancing, those hygiene measures to ensure that you don't get the virus. But at the same time, having said that, there are a number of food items, there are a number of nutrients, vitamins and minerals that are important for the normal functioning of our immune system. And this is the time when we have to keep our immune systems really, really strong. So let me talk about those nutrients. Let me talk about those vitamins and minerals that are required to keep our immune system strong and going. And good thing is that all of these nutrients, except for vitamin D, they can be had from our diet. First thing is vitamin D. As you all know, vitamin D is very important for healthy development of our bones, our joints, our ligaments, but vitamin D is also very important for the normal immune response. And good thing is that you can have vitamin D from sunshine. So while you are sitting in the confines of your home due to the lockdown, make sure that you do get your bit of sunshine. Spend some time in the balconies or near your windows so that you get enough sunshine. Or else you can also have a vitamin D from some of the food items, and this includes most of the animal food, cod liver oil. And if you're vegetarian, I'll suggest you a very important food item, and that is mushrooms. You can have a lot of vitamin D from mushrooms as well. And a very important micronutrient that is very important for our immune system is zinc. And it has been proven that within 24 hours of commencement of a cold, if you take zinc, that can reduce the severity and the duration of illness. So make sure that you take zinc. Now you might ask, what are the food items? Well, plenty of food items contain zinc. They are legumes as in you can have lentils, you can have chickpeas, you can have beans, and it is also found in a lot of nuts also. So what you can do is you can keep a dabba full of nuts in your home. You can have peanuts, you can have cashews, you can have almonds. That will really help your immune system. Also, several members of the B vitamin complex have been implicated in our immune response. These include vitamin B12, vitamin B6, vitamin B9. As far as vitamin B12 is concerned, it is found in meat and all the dairy products. So you can have a lot of milk, dahi, butter, paneer, all the milk products. And apart from that, as far as B6 is concerned, B6 is also very important for making the cells of our immune system. And good thing is that it is found in a lot of food items, including chickpeas and rice, cereals and onions. And as far as B9 is concerned, it is found in all the green leafy vegetables and a lot of fruits and nuts as well. Now let's talk about vitamin C. Of course, vitamin C has also a very important role for the normal functioning of our immune system. So eat a lot of papayas, our good old guavas, kiwis, all the citrus fruits, all the oranges and lemons. It is also there in broccoli. So make sure that you are having your share of a lot of citrus fruits as well. And apart from these particular food items, there are three other things also that are very important for the good functioning of our immune system. First would be the gut microbiome. It is very important to keep our gut microorganisms strong. As you all know that our gut, our GIT tract has a lot of good microorganisms, good bacteria, and it is important to keep them strong. So have a lot of fibrous food and fruits, have a lot of fermented probiotics, that will also help. Second, of course, is going to be exercise. It is known that exercise does improve our immune system. So make sure that even while you're sitting at home, you get some bit of exercise in your life. And apart from that, last but not the least, is sleep. We all know that a good sleep can actually help our immune system. So get your sleep. Do not worry, do not stress. It has also been found that chronic stress can actually release hormone cortisol, which actually suppresses our immune system. So do not be stressed. Take your vitamins, eat your good food, and do not stress. Sleep well. So I hope you found these tips useful. Bye for now. Take care of yourself. Take care of your families. Thanks for watching.